Well, I mua i tō tātou kororo pāna ki ngā vaccinations, kei te kua toro mai kua tai mai te mate uruta ki konei, ki Mōtiti, kua horapa putanua i te mautere. Kei te māharahara koutou, nā whānau, koe?
Ai putu mai tēnei ngāngara ki taku hakaro. Hore kau nā tāngata i te tua whenua i haka tika tika i o rātou anō, ne? Ki te haere ki te tiaki pea kei te whiwhi tērā weri ngāngara o kāre anō. Engari, ko tai mai tērā ngāngara ki konei. Aha koa ke konei, kei te noho mātou i tō mātua nake kāinga, hore kau mātou i haere hikoi ana ki te tahi whare, ki te kite i a rātou. Ka hore, ka noho no mātou i roto tō mātou anō whare, ne? Ki te awhina i a rātou. Nā te mea, te nuinga o mātou, hore kau mātou i vaccinated. Pēra i ahau. Kāre au whakai ki tērā. Ki te wera mai i ahau.
Absolutely. And so how are you as a community feeling, I guess, with the I guess the lack of support to whānau here when it comes to underlying health problems? Now that we have COVID here, there could be more strain, I guess, on whānau having to, get the assistance. What is that like? Can you tell me more?
Well, like for me, I guess this is the first time I've been out because you're here, Manuhiri's here. I stick in my own bubble, as you know, and we all like that. We don't go visiting one another for as much as we love to, because that's part of our nature, community, but we can't. You've got to be sensitive to their needs. And I won't go there and put them in further angst, if you like,
How often does a GP doctor come to Mōtiti?
The first Thursday of every month is Ngāti Kahu, which I appreciate very much. They've been with us for 11 or so years. And I'm very happy with their service. I mean, they provide care, like if somebody, a respite care for those who want it and who need it. But yes, I very much with Ngāti Kahu for their, because they've offered to provide us with a service and we've remained with them.
And that was also acknowledged by Ngāti Awa Social Health, who've also turned up today to actually do some testing, and then they tested the kaumātua today, all proven negative.
Yes.
I guess how helpful have, some type of support been for whānau who live here in Mōtiti, like every other rohe across the Bay of Plenty?
I don't have a problem. Mena ke te mahi rātou, like Ngāti Kahu, me Ngāti Awa. Pai, engari koe hara mai ki te takatakahi. Te tahi, the mana o te tahi atu ke, who's been here for 11 odd years. I don't have a problem with that because at the end of the day, if it's for our people, ke te pai ke aho because they're only a phone call away, Ngāti Kahu. And I think that's a good thing if they work together.
Ngāti Awa also have in their care packages vitamins, especially for whānau who don't believe in the vaccines, and we already understand, right across the board. We just came out of Ruatahuna and Tūhoe with their kōrero and their care packages that are really supporting whānau right across the board, even though they're vaccinated or not. I guess your thoughts, on the help they've provided, this week.
I think it's wonderful because for myself, I'm very much into vitamins A, and healthy living. And I do take some myself. I partake in it myself. But that's a real help to a lot of people who don't want to venture down the line of medical medicines for various reasons of their own. I won't get into that, but that's their prerogative. But I think it's a good thing. And what I think, with them coming here and testing the COVID strand, which is good, there's nothing. We had Ngāti Kahu here last Thursday, and there was some negative, a couple, I think, homes were positive.
Ka pai.
But to me, that's a checkup, eh?
It is a checkup.
And I think it's good.